We're launching 2 new products, a refreshed version of our existing core product called the EXR. We also have a new product called the EXR-D, which is a demand response product. So the core product, the EXR, now has demand response capability, which allows a consumer to opt in to a utility program in exchange for a lower rate from the utility company. In the industry, we find the problem with water heaters is basically they don't last long enough. They're not a durable product anymore. They don't make them like they used to, right? Water heaters used to last 50 years, then 40, then 30, and it's come down to less than 8, which is a huge problem. So that's one of the problems we wanted to solve. We wanted to make a more durable product that lasted 30 years. If you look at our product, it looks different than everything else. It behaves different. It was designed very differently. We understood that gas tankless water heaters put out something that people like a lot of the features and benefits. So we took that into account when we were designing our product. Things like flow activation, so on demand. People like the idea that they don't start to use or make hot water until they open up a fixture. So a standard tank is going to take water out of the tank and it goes to the house. Our water that we store in the tank doesn't ever go to the house. It goes from the inside storage tank through a heat exchanger and back into the tank. Another feature that we use is it's parts replaceable. You can replace the parts. It's very repairable, and that helps with the longevity of the product. We built a durable product made of a polymer that has no pressure on the tank. So we're solving a couple of the key problems that regular tank water heaters have. When you talk about corrosion and rust on a standard steel tank water heater, just changing the material to polymer is a good starting point for the design of a water heater. When compared to steel, polymer solves the issue of corrosion on the inside lining of the tank. What makes our water heater special, the EXR and the EXR-D, is they're going to last a long time. They're built around durability. They give you a 20-year warranty, and it's a high-capacity residential water heater. Essency is founded on efficiency and sustainability. We're going to be getting into renewable products in the future, so we're planning to launch a heat pump water heater next year in 2026.